What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be having Brooklyn Motors install my new Bilstein B6 struts and shocks, and also my new camber bolts. But first, I want to remind you guys, just like always, please continue to smash that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, make sure it's on all so that you get notified when I come out with these videos. Y'all know I greatly appreciate it. Alright, so I decided to allow Brooklyn Motors to do this install. I really wanted to do the install myself. I really wanted to. I had it purposed in my heart that I will be doing this one. But eventually I had to make the decision to allow them to do it. I mean, it's raining. I don't want to be doing the struts outside, especially being that I had to take the spring off. I went ahead and I purchased another manual spring compressor. I had one, but I guess it got stolen with the rest of my tools. So I went and bought a new one with the purpose. Yeah, I'm going to do this one, but it's not looking like I'm going to be able to. So Brooklyn Motors to the rescue once again. So I'm on my way over there to drop bullet off now to get this suspension installed. Alright, so yeah, let me get inside there and I'll pick it up from after I get it back from them. So this is basically going to be the completion of what I plan to do for my suspension, man. After this, that is it. We're going to be moving on. All right, but I'll get into that in a little bit later. All right, and we're back. Just picked up bullet from the guys over at Brooklyn Motors, Eric and the team. I want to thank them so much, man. These guys come in clutch for me several times. They help me out when I need it, so I'm very appreciative for them. So yeah, my suspension is finally complete, and man, I'm so happy. So let me just quickly go over the rundown, because I'm like I said, I'm done with the suspension. I've got it to exactly where I want it to be. So basically, yeah, these Bilstein B6s, man, yo, I've said it before and I'll continue to say it. They are basically probably the best struts and shocks you can get for Explorers. They're a little on the firm side. You know, if you like that kind of thing, you know, you'll love it. You know, if you don't like to feel, you know, stiffness or, you know, almost every little thing in the road, then they might not be for you. But you will love the handling characteristics. They're the best. All right, so I got Bilstein B6s all around. All right, now, of course, I also have that Traxda lift. I had the 2-inch all-around Traxda lift. Now I also went ahead and deleted the Traxda sway bar link bracket, and I did that by installing the Steam Jagger adjustable sway bar links. I have them in the front, which eliminates the need for the bracket because it's a shorter link. It's a 12-inch link versus I believe it's 14 inches for the stock links. And I did that, of course, to prevent it from breaking. I made several other videos about that. I also put in the Steam Jagger adjustable links in the rear as well, and I had to drill out my knuckle to fit them. And also I had to drill out the Steeda rear sway bar hole, which I'll go over that in a little bit later. You know, so that's basically what I have up front. And in the rear, I have the Steeda rear adjustable sway bar. I have mine set to the stiffest setting. You know, I like my suspension tight. So, and like I said, previously mentioned, in order to run the Steam Jagger adjustable rear sway bar link and the Steeda rear sway bar link, I had to have Brooklyn Motors drill out the hole in both the knuckle and in my Steeda rear sway bar. In the back there, I also have the other two brackets for the Traxda kit, which is just the spacer on the spring perch, and also the a bracket on the strut that will give it that 2 inches in the rear as well. All right, now what I also have are the Steeda tow arm and the Steeda rear trailing arms. Now, man, I'm telling you, when I installed those, I did not think that I would feel any difference because they're just arms. But the difference, I believe, is in the bushing. The bushings, they're polyurethane bushings, so you know their torsion rigidity is increased, and boy, I actually feel it, almost to the point where I feel like I might be getting or finding the limit of my tire, my Nitto Ridge Grapplers. I mean, they are AT tires, but I'm telling you, they're like the best tires I've ever had, man, in terms of quietness and grip in all of the conditions that I drive them in, which is the sand, wet, and snow. I don't do anything in the mud. But man, I am super happy about completing this suspension. Man, there's two other areas where I can go into, but unfortunately I can't due to my usage, you know, which would be only two things left would be the springs, lowering springs. I really want to lower this thing, but just I can't, you know what I'm saying? I need to drive on the beach, so I need the ground clearance, so I will not be lowering bullet. Then the other area is the rear strut tower cross brace, which you can get from the police interceptor utilities, you know, the PIUs, which is what the police have. But that being that eliminates the third row, I cannot use that. So, you know, who knows? Maybe it's sometime in the future. But as far as right now goes, yeah, I'm not going to be able to eliminate that. So I need that. But that's it, you know, that's my suspension, man. I'm very pleased with it. This thing feels so plantable, man. I mean, it's exactly what I envisioned in being able to do with my Explorer. So the question now, what is next for Bullet? Well, the only two things next to do is power and braking. Will be doing the motor. I will be upgrading the turbos finally, sometime within the close future. You know what I'm saying? I got a few more details to work out with that, and then I'm going to be doing the brakes eventually, man. These brakes, can't stand the brakes in the stock Explorers, man. I just can't rock with them. I will be doing the Willwood upgrade, so you can look out for that. And I also want to get a wrap. I'm very close to doing that. I just got to work out this hood situation, which I believe I got a nice deal lined up. So as long as that comes through, I will definitely be doing a nice wrap. Comment down below. Give me some ideas of what you think I should do. I would love to keep it, you know, within the theme of my channel. Hint, hint. But I'm open to any suggestions, so if you have any suggestions for a wrap, and once I get a wrap, I am going to do some new wheels as well to complement the wrap. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think I should do about that. Well, that's gonna wrap up this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please leave your video suggestions in the comments below. Rather it be a video you would like for me to make, or any comment on anything that you've seen in this video that you'd like to make any suggestions on. All right, so please remember to have a blessed day and peace out.